Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Did you know your iPhone can automatically switch between light mode during the day and dark mode at night without you doing anything? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to set that up on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This is where all appearance related settings live. At the top, you will see light and dark options. Just below that, turn on the toggle for automatic. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically switch between light and dark modes based on the time of the day. If you want more control, tap Options next to Automatic. Here you will see two options, Sunset to Sunrise, which switches automatically based on your location. This means your iPhone will switch from the light mode to the dark mode as soon as the sun sets. You can also choose Custom Schedule. This lets you set your own light and dark times. Choose the option that works for you the best. So why should you use automatic light and dark modes? Well, it's easier on your eyes, especially at night. This setting helps you save battery on OLED iPhones and you no longer need to manually switch themes every day. And that's how you make your iPhone switch between light and dark modes automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.